Hello, this is Rachel with Megaplicity, and today I'll be unboxing 3 separate things and then showing you how they all set up. So we're going to be unboxing the Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft Edition microphone. That'll be the first thing. Next we'll be doing the Blue Radius shock mount. And of course, that will be going into and fitting into the Blue Compass microphone boom arm by Logitech for creators. So we will be putting all those together at the end after unboxing. I'll show you how that fits together. Okay. Oh. Nice and heavy. Okay, so first, of course, we're beginning with this Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft Edition microphone. And we'll get that opened up for you here. See what's inside. Okay, so there is tape here, and I do need to get something sharp so I can get that open. I don't have scissors handy. So I guess I'll be using this over here instead. It is sharp. All right. Now we should be able to get this. Finally. Okay, so this should just slide right out when I tip it over. There we go. And of course there will be more tape to take out or cut through. Need to do that. I'm really excited to use this. I can't wait. Okay. So we have just this one sheet of instructions right here. It tells you all the setup and the different settings that you have on your microphone. That'll come in handy. You need to save that. And then we have our warranty and service instructions here. And then nice foam. Packaged really well. This is the cord. It has the USB plug, and then you have, of course, it's wrapped nicely, and we'll get into that in a minute. Okay, the microphone itself. Okay, so pretty. All right, there is our World of Warcraft Edition Blue Yeti X. And the nice stand. Very nice. And this knob right here is for the volume adjustment. And that button, it's an actual button, adjusts the cardioid pattern. Okay, and there's our wonderful stand right here with all the beautiful runes on the bottom. Very attractive. And it's very heavy too. Okay, here's our cord once again. I'll show you what that is like. Okay, so you have a micro USB end, and of course your regular USB plugs into your computer or whatever you want to plug it into. And that is all. That is all that is in the box. Nothing else. All right, so let's get this out of the way so we can start on the next one. Okay. Clear all that out. And put that over here where we're going to set that up. Now we're going to start with the Blue Radius shock mount. It's actually Blue Radius 3 shock mount. And we'll be opening this up with that same sharp tool here. It makes it so much easier. All right. Of course, really easy to open up. So here is the actual shock mount. Very sturdy metal. And then we have our attaching hardware. Okay, so the attaching hardware is right here. We've got 2 washers and a little screw pin. Okay, and then that's the part that actually mounts to the boom arm. Ooh, and it has a diagram too. No real instructions, just your diagram right there, which does show how it all fits together really well. Okay, and those are the other pieces that we need. So that's the other piece that fits around the boom arm. And this is where these 2 washers go on the end of this. And this part would screw actually onto the microphone to mount that to the shock mount. And of course we have no other instructions in here. It's just the paperwork for service centers and warranty. Let's get this out of the way so we can begin with the blue compass. Logitech for Creators microphone boom arm. Okay, just slide that right off. All right, and I'm gonna get all these little pieces out of the way so we don't lose any. I need all those to mount that. And of course, more tape to get through here first. Okay. And then you have your box on the inside. It was covered with that paper with more tape. Okay, there we are. And here is the boom arm itself right here. Wow. And it's so sturdy and metal, very strong. Just take this off. Really easy to unbox. So here on this end you have a sticker with instructions that shows you how to tighten the tension by using that tension screw there, if you need to make it tighter or looser depending on the weight of your microphone. And you have this sticker here that shows which way it bends so that you know how to mount that properly. And that is really about all the instructions there are to that. Of course, we have this end here that's going to screw to your either microphone or that shock mount. And then you have a mounting clamp right here. Just works just like a regular clamp, of course. You can unscrew and tighten it and put it wherever you need that to go, either on your desk or anything else you might want to attach it to. And then again, you've got your paperwork right here with a warranty or any service that you might need. There. All right. That one's pretty simple also. Not a whole lot to that. So next we'll be showing how each of these pieces fit together. We'll get all that. Okay, and of course, I'll be showing you that at my desk area where I want to mount this. That's going to be over there. We'll continue this over there. Here we're going to set these things up. So we're going to set up the blue Yeti X WoW World of Warcraft edition microphone with the blue radius shock mount and the blue compass boom arm microphone boom arm. And we're going to get it all put together and see how it goes together. Let's get going on that. So first you need to determine how far away you want your microphone to sit. And I don't want this to interfere with my drawers, so I'm thinking I'm going to put this back here. Because I do want to open my drawers. So let's get this maybe mounted right here. Have to definitely think about things like that when you're doing this. Uh-oh, I have interference. So I'm going to set that over here. It's having difficulty with the trim on the front with the little part that turns. And I don't want it banging against that. Let's see. And you want that firmly mounted because you don't want it to fall off. And this is a heavy arm, so I think I'm going to need a Phillips because I don't know. Might need to work on that screwdriver, or not the screwdriver, but might need to work on this tension screw. I'm not sure. Okay, so we'll put this in here. We got it mounted wrong, or do we? Check where it bends. It's supposed to bend that way. No, it's supposed to bend this way. Pay attention to where the bend is. Okay, so you can see up here now. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to set it up kind of right here so that you can see what's going on. And let's see. Where are the directions on the box? Okay, so that part goes up there. And actually, before I do that too much, we need to get this off of the base. You just unscrew these right here on your Yeti microphone to get it out of the stand. Just take them off. I'll reassemble that later in case I want that. So here comes the Yeti. Okay, that is out of the stand now. And ready to mount. So of course that just detaches. Nice. Okay. And now we have our mounting for our radius. Which is going to involve this arm. To screw this part right here in there. So, whoa. You need that in there. along with, we'll have to adjust the angle in a moment, but you have this other little piece that does fit over the top, which is really difficult to work with. But overall assembly is pretty easy. Let's see if we can get that in. And actually, I think we're gonna need to first, no, because that has to go through the hole. Well, which way does it go? Oh, it's gotta go through the back side. So it goes through here, like so. And then you put your other piece, hopefully right here. And you screw it all together if you can get it in there right. I don't think I have it right. There we go. It seems to be right now, if I can get it in there. And it swivels. It does swivel. Actually, it's this part, I think, swiveling. Okay. So I have that part connected now. And we have our microphone that needs to go in here. Which way does that go? It is showing it going in. There are two sides, of course. So this side is on the more upper side. You want it on the more indented side so that this part is the top. And that is how you're going to put this in here. Then I'll have to see if I need to adjust that tension screw. Okay, so of course you have your, yep, I think I'm going to have to, because this is wanting to, hey, and there is that. Now you always want to get one of these little pop mufflers right here. Make your sound better. It's just a little foam, and I should show you that. It's just a little foam piece that fits over the microphone. I just got that separate. Didn't come with it, of course. So there's the setup right there. That's about where I want that to be. So that worked out wonderful. Pretty easy to set up. Okay, so that was our setup. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to Megaplicity. Bye.